Welcome you all to my new video from the YouTube channel Go Classical. So today I'm going to teach you how to convert your USB pen drive or an SD card to your RAM. So many have the problem that their RAM is not sufficient, so that their device is lagging and the RAM storage is very low. So this can be applicable for those problems. So please watch the video and learn how to convert your USB drive to a RAM. So this must be very effectful and it will be very useful for you. So I in my single video I have talked about converting USB drive 2.0 to a USB drive 2.0 pen drive to a RAM USB 3.0 pen drive to a RAM, but I haven't discussed how to convert an SD card to a RAM. So this is the first time I do try that thing, converting an SD card to RAM. So let's try that, though it will also work. First you should connect your USB into the port. So I have to inform you that if you are taking a USB drive, you have to take a USB drive more than a USB drive 3.0 or plus 1. That means USB drive 3.1 or 3.0, anything, because the USB speed should be more than 3.0 and 3.0 also. But it's okay to use a USB drive 2.0 also. So let's start with USB 2.0. When we are doing this first time in the USB drive 2.0, they will ask you, are you sure to use this, and you must put the tick and make it sure. So in my USB drive it won't come, as I have turned this into a RAM before. So first you have to connect your USB drive, and you can see here the USB drive connected, and here it is here. And then go to this PC, and here is the USB drive. So here the storage and 6.50 GB is free, and out of 7.19 GB. So first, to convert this to a RAM, we should follow these steps. So first you should click on this USB drive one single time and right click on it, go to properties. I will take here, and here are some tools in it. You can name the USB drive here. The tools are there for error checking and optimizing, and here the hardware and sharing of files in it, and customizing your items in the pen. And here is the thing we want, ready boost. So using this ready boost we can convert our USB drive, that means a pen drive, to a RAM. So this affects only to your USB again, that means RAM storage only, not RAM speed. But this affects a little bit, because when we increase our RAM storage it stops lagging, so your lagging will be stopped by this. So it will be a great convenience for you all. So let's see how to do that thing. So you should go for ready boost. I'll show you again. Right click on the USB drive, go to properties, and go to ready boost. So in here you should here it has mentioned speed up your system by utilizing the available space on this device, and here are some points, and here the place to limit the storage. So you should in first time connected when we first time connect to this USB drive to this device, it will only take this do not use the device. So you should use this device, and here you can uh, uh, here you can adjust any storage size which should be the RAM storage. So this automatically detect by the system uh, by thing by the system automatically by checking about the USB storage and the requirement of the device. So it has come 4094 MB. You can decrease it by this down arrow and increase it by this, and it will not increase more than the limit they have shown, else you can decrease and from here also. And next you have to press OK. So here the ReadyBoost is configuring your cache, and now you can see here uh, previously it was 6 point something free on the USB drive, now 2.50. So here you can also see in the pen drive 4.4000 volt ReadyBoost is also there, and so it contains it grabs some storage from your USB drive too. So from when we are doing this ReadyBoost, we cannot put any application for that storage limit, and you can put transfer 2.50 storage. That's no, there's no problem in it, and it doesn't affect the files in your USB drive too. And so when removing this, you should never use just remove the USB drive or just eject and remove. You should remove this ReadyBoost before you remove the USB drive. So for removing that, you should follow the same steps as I mentioned before. Go to properties, go to ReadyBoost, and you should tick do not use this device and press OK. So again it comes ReadyBoost is configuring your cache, and after this finishes, the USB drive will retain as it was before. So here you can see again 6.50 GB free from out of 7.19 GB. So that ReadyBoost application is also not available there. So ReadyBoost have been removed from here. So this affects your USB storage, no sorry, RAM storage, not your RAM speed. So that was a USB 2.0 drive, and next I am going to eject it and remove. And many, I have to notify you that many you doesn't eject USB drives. So this without ejecting these USB drives, that may affect your USB drives and your device too. So I ask from you to remove to eject your USB drive before removing your USB from the port. So this may the using ReadyBoost may heat up your pen drive. Don't think it much, and do not use this especially 2.0 pen drives. It's okay to use 3.0 and plus. Do not use to be 2.0 drives much, because that may affect the pen drive too. and I'm not recommending you to use this every time, because this is not good. Actually, this have no side effects, but when heating the pen is heating, that may crash your pen. So now so do not use this much time, sorry. So now we'll connect USB 3.0 USB drive to check whether how to can we convert that also. So I connected it, and here you can see USB 3.0, and it's here. No ready boost file, and right click as before, go to properties, ready boost, and uh, you should click use this device. And here you could see that as I mentioned before, the storage limit in this pen is increased. That was 4000 something, and here it's 32,768 MB. So by optimizing this as this space as a RAM, you could gain a RAM of 32 GB plus. This acts with your device RAM also. So you can decrease using this. This increases because my storage in this pen drive is in more than the previous one. This is a 64 GB pen, and that was an 8 GB pen. So you can press OK, and it will make the device pen drive ready boost and make it a RAM. So here you can see, as mentioned before, ready boost application, and only 24.8 GB free now. So that's how to convert a 3.0 pen drive to a RAM. So you saw that when we are converting the 3.0, it converted faster than the 2.0. So that is what I say. So to use 3.0 or plus pen drive to this, so now I am going to eject this, and no, first should remove the deboost and eject it. For that I will go to properties, ready boost, do not use the device, and press OK. You saw it was very fast and quick. So close this PC, eject your pen drive, and that was an USB 3.0, and that was not heat as before. It was more cooler than the USB 2.0. Now we'll try an SD card. So actually this is my first time I too trying the SD card. So let's see whether will the SD card too acts as the pen drives. So I connected the SD card using the adapter. So you saw, and here it is. Let's go to this PC, and here is the USB drive, and you can see the folders here, and 12.8 GB free out of this SD card. So as before, we can go to properties, and ready boost is there. So let's see, as before the tools are there, and here this is the first time, so it comes like that. So wait that minute, and you should please use this device as before. And this in this here also, it has only taken 4094 MB as in the USB drive 2.0, and press OK, and that was also converted into a RAM. So here you can see the ready boost, application, and to remove that, as taught before, go to properties, ready boost, do not use this device, and press OK. So it will remove the ready boost application too, and ready boost is not here. So next, eject SD card, and that was an SD card. So I showed you how to convert a USB 2.0 to a RAM, USB 3.0 to a RAM, and an SD card to your RAM. So using this method you can only increase your RAM storage, not your RAM speed. I should mention it again, and but this will have a cost to increase your RAM speed, also device speed. So this is a great way to stop lagging of your computer, and this will have a great impact on your work also. So I today taught you how to convert your USB drives into a ready boost and convert it into a RAM. So this must be very useful for you all. So uh, this I have published the single video also. So uh, today the lesson is over. Actually not a lesson. So now I am going to end this, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon next to it, and you can get notifications whenever I publish a video. And like the video and comment about the comment section is open to you all, and comment about the video, the presentation, and was this important to you, and how was it. So now I will end, and thank you for watching.